20% of agricultural productivity is lost to pests and pathogens every year, and is lost in variable ways dependent on climatic conditions.
As climate change is showing increasing impacts around the world, it's important that we find new solutions for some of our domesticated plants. To do that, we can really learn from their wild counterparts, both in terms of their resistance genes, but also their relationship with pathogens.
In 2018, we got some funding from the High Meadows Environmental Institute to start working in the Rocky Mountains Biological Lab field station to look at the impact of a plant pathogen.
It was looking at the plant flax and then its pathogen, flax rust, and how this relationship changes based on elevation.
There is very little data available that tracks the spread of epidemics across plant populations, and indeed plant populations at these very different altitudes, which gives us a window onto differences in climate. By tracking the course of the epidemic over 7 summers, we've started to pin down what features enhance the spread of the pathogen and which ones slow it down. For example, we found that the pathogen spreads more quickly at lower altitudes, and this is shaped by the timing of snowmelt, but also warmer temperatures seem to enhance the pathogen spread.
Since we see this relationship between climate change and between elevation and between the plant and the plant pathogen, we can hopefully apply this to other plants and then see how we can make a hardier, more resistant plant to climate change. A lot of crops now are facing a shorter growing season, droughts. It's more and more important that we are focusing on our agriculture and farming industry.
I would really love to continue learning about how understanding climate processes can funnel into real-world solutions.
I just think it's really cool that I'm able to have this opportunity to be at Princeton and to get a world-class education and then be able to take what I learn and apply it to the real world.
It both allows us to do really important science, but allows us to do it in a way that supports undergraduates and opens them up to this experience of the world. So we're both collecting data that is unavailable in any other setting, but we're also doing it with some of the brightest young minds available that have really pushed forwards both our science and what we can do. And that's one of the reasons we have this really unique data set, which allows us to probe these really important questions.